Now how about list, right? So let us say, so far we have looked at how we can extract columns from a data frame or a table. Now what if we have a list, right? So let us convert ecom underscore mini into ecom underscore list using as dot list ecom underscore mini. Right, so if you look at ecom underscore list now, right, so here each of the column has been converted to an element of the list. Okay, so let's come back. Now to extract the element of a list, we can do it in two ways, right? You can use the double square brackets, right? So we have com underscore list, and then we use the double square brackets to extract the n underscore pages from that list. Or you can do is you can use the dollar operator as well. Right, now if we do that using magrittr, then we'll use the extract2 function. So extract2 and ecom underscore list, name of the element, right? And you can also use underscore series, and in this case you don't even have to enclose the name of the column in single or double quotes, right? Fine. So if you want to extract list element by position, you can do that as well. So in this case we can have ecom underscore list, extract the first element of the list, right? And using extract2, we do the same, ecom underscore list 1, extract the first element of list. Oh, sorry, extract2, right? So you can see the output is same in both these cases, right? So I'm just showing you the alternatives that are available in the magrittr package for working with extracting columns from data frames or extracting elements from a list, right? Again, here you can see how we did extract elements as a vector,